Hello guys, in this tutorial, we will learn how to use Zoom on mobile. First, what you need to do is install the application. For that, navigate to the App Store or the Google Play Store on your phone. Once it opens on the screen, go to the search page from the bottom menu and tap on the search bar to open it. Here, use the search bar to type Zoom, and from the suggestions, select the exact app that you're looking for. Within a few moments, you will get the search results, and here you will find the Zoom Workplace mobile application. To install this application on your phone, tap the Get button next to its name, and it will start downloading. Once the download is complete, you will see the Open button. Tap on it to get started. When the app opens, you'll land on the Welcome page, where you'll see several options to start using Zoom. For example, if you already have a meeting or class link and don't have time to create an account or sign in, simply tap Join Meeting at the bottom. Here you can enter the meeting ID, set your display name, and then tap Join, and you can successfully join the meeting immediately. Also, for an event, simply enter the email that you used for registration and join the event. Let's go back to the Welcome page, and this time we'll see how to create a new account. Tap on the Sign Up button, and it will take you to a new page where you need to verify your age. Enter your birth year and tap on Continue to go to the next page. Here, you need to enter your email address or choose one of the available sign-up options. For this demonstration, I will continue with a Google account and complete the process. Once you continue with your Google account, you will see your account name and email address that will be used for your Zoom account. For educators, you will also see an option that asks whether you're signing up on behalf of a school or another organization that provides educational services to children under the age of 18. If you checkmark this option, Zoom will ask you to select the age group that your organization serves. You can choose the appropriate option if it applies to you. I'm not going to use that option right now. Tap on Create Account. It will take a few moments to complete the process. Zoom will ask whether you want to enable notifications so you can receive alerts for messages, meetings, and other productivity activities. Tap on Enable Notifications, and there you go. We land on the Zoom homepage. Now let's explore its features one by one. At the top, you'll find several options. The first is Meet, where you can create a new meeting. Next is Join, where you can join a meeting if you already have a meeting ID or someone has shared a meeting invitation with you. You can also use Schedule to plan a meeting for an upcoming event, class, or business meeting in advance. Next, you can use Share to send an invite link to your team members or classmates if you are the host. You will also find My Notes, where you can write down important points or notes that you find useful during a class or a meeting. Now let's check how to create a new meeting. Tap on the first option, Meet. Here, you will see the option to start the meeting with your video turned on. By default, the video toggle is enabled. If you do not want to start the meeting with your camera on, simply turn the toggle off. You will also see the option to use your personal meeting ID, which you can turn on or off according to your needs. Once everything is ready, tap Start Meeting. Before the meeting starts, you will see two icons on the screen. The first is the microphone icon, which indicates that the microphone is active and other participants will be able to hear your voice. If you do not want others to hear you, tap the microphone icon to mute yourself. You can tap it again at any time to unmute. The same applies to the camera icon to turn it on or off. Once everything is set, tap the Start button to begin the meeting. It may take a few moments to connect. After that, your meeting will start successfully, and you'll be able to join your team members or classmates. Now, let's explore the meeting features. At the bottom of the screen, we already discussed the mic and camera icons. Next is the Chat tab, where you can view and send messages during the meeting. Participants can ask questions, share information, and talk about the topic in the chat section. Next, tap the three-dot More option to open additional features. The first option is Raise Hand. If you tap it, your hand will be raised, indicating that you have a question or would like to speak during the meeting. Once you are finished, simply tap Lower Hand to remove it. Next to this, you will also find Reactions. Tap on the three dots to open the available emoji reactions. You can choose a reaction according to the conversation to make it more engaging and show the host that you are actively participating. Next, open the Participants section. Here, you can see the list of everyone who has joined the meeting, along with their profile names. If you're the meeting host, tap the person icon at the top to invite more participants. You can send invitations through email or messages, invite contacts from your phone, or simply copy the invitation link and share it anywhere so others can join the meeting. Also, if you tap the three dots, you will find additional host controls, including the option to mute all participants or ask all to unmute if their microphones are currently muted. Let's close this and check other features. From the Start Share option, you can share your phone screen by opening any note or app. Next is Show Captions. If you want everything to appear as subtitles, just enable this option. Zoom will automatically generate captions while you speak. The next option is Apps. Once you tap on it, it'll take you to a new page where you'll find apps built by Zoom to enhance your meetings. You can use timers to manage your meeting time, apply virtual backgrounds to make your meetings more engaging, and other productivity apps are only available for premium users. Next is Meeting Info, where you can view useful information about your meeting, including the total number of participants, the meeting ID, the meeting start time, and other meeting details. After that, you will find Host Tools, which provide additional controls for the meeting host. For example, if you open security, you can lock the meeting to prevent anyone else from joining. You can also enable the waiting room, allowing you to approve participants before they enter the meeting. You can also hide all participants' profile pictures. There are also general settings where you can choose to mute everyone upon joining the meeting and enable or disable the sound that plays when participants join or leave. Let's go back. Inside the participant settings, you can also configure additional permissions, such as allowing participants to share their screens, rename themselves, unmute their microphones, start their video, and many other options. You can review each setting one by one and enable or disable them according to your requirements. Back inside Host Tools, you will also find Zoom AI and My Notes. My Notes lets you write down important information during your meeting, and Zoom AI lets you ask meeting questions, generate meeting summaries while the meeting is in progress or after it ends. You can also suspend participant activities if you are the host of the meeting. Once everything is set, let's go back. At the top of the meeting screen, you'll see your Zoom meeting name. Next to it, if you tap the pencil icon, it will again open the Notes AI page where you can start taking notes. Next is Zoom AI, which is Zoom's new AI feature to ask questions or summarize meetings. The speaker icon lets you choose between your phone, speaker, phone receiver, or disconnect your audio. There's also another useful page. If you swipe to the right while inside the meeting, a new screen will appear. If your mic is muted but you want to say something briefly, simply tap and hold the Tap to Speak button while you talk. Once you're done, just release your finger and your mic will automatically return to muted. This lets you speak briefly without fully unmuting. Once your meeting is complete, tap the End button. If you're a participant, simply tap Leave Meeting to exit. However, if you are the meeting host, tap End Meeting for all, and everyone will be removed from the meeting. That's how you can create a meeting and use the main meeting features accordingly. Now let's explore how to schedule a meeting. Tap the Schedule option and a new page will pop up on the screen. Here, you first need to enter the meeting name. After that, select the meeting date and starting time. Set the meeting duration, choose the appropriate time zone, and if you want the meeting to repeat every week or after a specific number of days, you can configure that as well. You can also choose which calendar you want to save the meeting to. Under the advanced security options, there is a very useful feature called passcode. You can create your own meeting passcode and share it only with your team members or classmates to ensure that only people with the passcode can join the meeting. Once everything is configured, tap Save from the top of the screen. As you can see, the meeting has been successfully scheduled. When the scheduled time arrives, you can easily start or join the meeting from your calendar. Now, from the bottom navigation bar, you will find the Chat tab, where you can view all of your conversations with your team members and the messages exchanged during meetings. Next is Hub. Here you will find several advanced features, including your profile, My Notes, recordings, and shared folders. If you want to create something new, simply tap the plus icon at the bottom. After that, open the Canvas tab. Since this is a newly created account, there are currently no documents available. Tap the plus icon at the bottom, and you will see options to create a new document, data table, or choose from the available templates provided by Zoom. I will select the third option, and it will take you to the Templates page. Find and select the one that best matches your requirements. Once it's open, tap Use Template, and it will start creating. Within a few moments, it will open in the editor, where you can customize it as needed. Now let's go back, and your document will be successfully created. You can continue editing it whenever you want. Next is the Calendar tab, where you can again see all of your scheduled meetings displayed by date. From here, you can easily create additional meetings and manage your upcoming schedule. Next to it, open the More tab. Here you will find several additional features, including Mail if it's connected to your Zoom account, Whiteboard for tutorials or presentations, events, contacts, clips, tasks, and other productivity tools. Explore each of these features one by one to improve your productivity and make better use of the Zoom mobile application. And that's it. This is the complete overview of the Zoom mobile application and how you can use its features on your phone.